the gloriousness of silence. This is it. This is the spot. Silence in the mountains. Silence in the mountains. Gotta enjoy it. I was looking for hiking routes. Couldn't find it, but I have to admit I didn't put a lot of effort in searching for hiking routes. After a couple of days of video editing and uploading, I was thinking about I need some exercise, or I need some body movement, and then yeah. But again, I didn't put a lot of effort in searching for hiking routes, maybe in the mountain or just parks in surrounding area. I'm standing now at the park, national park Marendus. It says here the sign. It's completely wind still. Completely wind still. How do you like that? So yeah, the weather is quite nice. I'm heading. I'm just roaming around the area. I'm heading to the same spot as where I took the anamorphic images. I still have to process, but yeah, it's yeah, just driving around. Driving around is what I like to do, and maybe just I can also step aside and you enjoy the view. It's strange. The only thing I hear now is my own tightness.